My logo just got done. Yay! It's a part of my business plan to get a logo done for my business when I start to actually start making a profit. This is the start of my business. Gotta have a logo. I don't have a slogan yet, but I love it. It's so neat. It's clean. It's kind of plain like me. Nothing too flashy. But this is my logo. Yay! It got done. I'm excited. Y'all look at that. So now it's time for me to start branding. I can get my website done. I can get my business cards done. I can get that stuff done now that I have my logo. This is a start, y'all. Just like with my SBA program thing that I did, everything is a start. Just make your tiny steps to bigger things, and I'm going to grow this. I love it. What is that popped up on the side? Move off my logo. Thank you. Yay. My logo. It's official. True Circle Farms.